just came home from work. It's literally 1 in the morning and Gabby's like, let's put on a full face of makeup. Hello everyone. So here we are. For today's video, I decided that it'd be a lot of fun for Mel and I to try and do a James Charles makeup tutorial. She's crazy. Mind you, Mel and I like makeup, but we're no like beauty guru, makeup connoisseur. We are not, that is not what we are, who we are. So we're gonna just try this and see what happens. We decided to do his holiday sleigh makeup tutorial. He did this about a year ago, I wanna say, like last Christmas. So let's just see how this goes. I don't even know if we have all the right colors for it, if I'm being honest.
We're completely winging this.
Like
we have prepared nothing.
We have prepared absolutely nothing. It's like, wow, do you see how broke I look right now? Guys. Oh my god. Okay, so James doesn't do his foundation in the actual video. He does his eye, like his eye stuff. So we're gonna cut to us having our foundation on now.
We should do like poof.
Yeah, so it's like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to start watching the video now and hopefully we can do this. We'll see what happens.
I'm going to be using the brand new Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. I absolutely love this palette. I can't wait.
You do not have a Morphe palette.
I do.
Oh my gosh, she's great.
Somewhere.
I have an e.l.f. palette.
I'm first going to grab my M441 brush and dip into this little transition shade. I actually
Whoa,
bought
it's
the
like
little shade with the name on it, so you're just going to have to bear with me today. I'm just popping the shade.
Okay, so he's like using like a pinkish brush.
It's like a maroon.
He's using like a brush just like this.
A blending brush.
And he's using like a pinkish.
It's like a clay.
I don't have that
I'm gonna go
color.
for this one.
I'm gonna go. Whoa. I'm gonna go for this one on your. Mel and I are gonna have to share palettes today, okay?
Into this burnt orange shade right up in here.
A burnt orange.
Burnt orange, so something a little bit darker.
I'm just gonna go for this one. It's gonna turn out kind of purpley, but whatever.
Horizontal, there we go. My face, but for this, I'm actually kind of
This
pushing
isn't bad,
downwards to really get it up in that crease.
I don't
Really
Oh, he does one eye at a time.
Yeah.
Oh,
seconds,
okay.
But I am going to be blending in between every step to make sure that none of the colors
He's been blending?
together.
Okay, so he's going to a burnt darker orange.
That's all I have. That's it.
So like mine isn't gonna be as like pink. Ours are not gonna be as pink as his. Ours are gonna definitely be more like brownish, purpley.
Mauve-y.
That's what we have.
So,
this
I know it
looks
may seem like
good,
a lot
I
of
think.
actionness. I mean,
I don't know what's
really
happening
use
here.
more
I think
eyeshadow. This doesn't
I
even
think
look like
something's
much
wrong.
yet.
Guys, this is hard.
This has like a perfect outer V. I don't
He
know.
does.
This is the black shade in the bottom corner.
Black?
Enough.
Okay, so we're gonna wait for a second because James is like going.
Ooh, I think this is making it worse.
That's what he said. He said not. He said not to put too much.
I did. That's the thing. It's like I barely have any on.
Like, look. Okay, so that's what he's doing. And I don't know how his V is perfect.
I know. I don't know how he did that. This looks kind of. This is cool though.
This is kind of cool. I'm kind of liking this. This is very fun and fresh, y'all. Very fun and fresh. Sorry, we're not talking as much. It's like hard to focus.
I'm just like blending it out with this one.
I know. I'm so worried. I'm gonna put too much black in this corner. But like, I'm trying to make sure that there's enough.
And then we have to do the same thing on the other eye.
I might just like do this one eye only, and then like us just see how it looks with this one eye, because that's a lot. Honestly, I need to blend a little bit. So let's just like start blending up here. You done?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck. Okay.
Much black, where there is the black, we want it to be black. If that makes sense. To blend that black, I'm going to grab my M507 brush once again and dip into this cool tone brown shade up in here and just lightly go over those edges.
Okay.
Like I was saying.
I feel like I just keep going higher and higher, and that's like dangerous.
Now we're going to go ahead and cut out the crease. I'm going to grab my cream shadow in the shade Copper Tone, which is this beautiful orangey shade.
I'm just going to like wet my brush.
And it does the same job, so like why do more work if you don't have to?
Okay, so I have like this, which is like a cream shadow, and it's like gold.
It's not the, well,
I don't know. Because I feel like that could possibly work.
I think I'm just gonna like wet this brush.
I use a lot of
You
golds.
just need like a shimmer.
Like I use a lot of golds. Like I've always been like a warmer toned person. This looks kind of wild. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
It's okay, guys.
I'm trying really hard. Ooh, it's like too much here. Gabby, don't laugh.
No, Mommy, at both of us. We're such a mess. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so nervous. This looks kind of like... What did we expect, though? Okay,
Alright, let's
just keep watching.
Okay. I'm gonna try my thing.
I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna see how this gold looks, and hopefully it doesn't destroy my entire look. Whatever. So he made a loop on his.
Yeah, he like made it rounded.
Okay, guys, I just did something with my eyes. I don't know what I just did, but okay, let's try. I'm gonna try and put some color on this so that it won't look like trash. Okay.
Okay.
I think we're in business.
I just like can't do that sharp of a cut. It's going.
Something's happening. I think I'm gonna put too much.
I'm just like kind of making a eyeshadow. Oof. I messed up. I screwed up in the corner.
Oh no. I don't know what I just did. I don't know if this looks good. I don't know how I did this. I don't know how you do this. Guys, I don't even know what's happening right now. Like, I think I did something right.
It kind of looks like, it's not like the best shape ever, but like, little cut, little crease.
Let me see. Yeah. I know, right? Does your eye feel like super heavy?
I'm just not used to wearing this much.
I know. My eyes feel like heavy.
I literally made this by mixing my foundation with the shimmery shadow.
It'd be like that.
Okay, that's good enough for me.
I think I did something. I think I kind of did mine right.
we did something. I'm so glad we didn't put this. Gabby's trying to sabotage us. Oh my god.
That's always exciting. How do I cut it?
You need like a flat, sharp brush like this.
I don't have that. Well, it's like you get the gist of what I was trying to do. Okay. Oh, he's putting on fake lashes.
But then he lined the outside.
The fake ones, of course, using my Benefit.
He lined the cut.
Once the lashes are...
I am using the Benefit They're Real mascara and the Smashbox Full Exposure mascara to at least make this look like something. I was thinking back to prom. Do you remember when you did your fake lashes?
Yep.
For prom?
Oh, yeah. That was not a good idea.
Yeah.
Damn!
I was a fake friend. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Are you saying I was ugly at prom?
No! There's just like one picture, I think, of when you're... I think one of the lashes was like falling down a little bit.
Okay, Gabby.
So funny. Oh my god.
Okay, that's fine.
It was really funny, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but like this is gonna look terrible. Like,
yeah.
I don't think this looks terrible. I really don't think it does. I think it looks kind of okay. Like, I'd wear this out somewhere. I wouldn't like not wear this somewhere. Mel's just rude as hell, and she's a hater because I told her that her fake lashes prom looked like crap. So, whatevs.
I don't know if I made it worse.
What'd you do?
I tried to like just do a little more outline.
I think no, yeah, blend the outside a little bit more.
The corner.
Because it looks like you did like a weird wing liner with your eyeshadow. I kind of would love to see what it looks like with both. Like if you would look any different or not. I don't know what's happened. I really want to do my other side. Like I really feel incomplete. Oh, he put stuff on his lower lash too.
Ooh, okay, I have the perfect brush for that. Wait, but which color is he using?
Go back.
I'm going to take my beauty blender and dip into a little bit of my translucent setting powder, and I'm going to bake right underneath that shadow because I think it's all complete. I actually ended up taking off the iconic.
We don't look like that.
I kind of want to do both lashes, both eyes. We're doing this, guys.
Oh, I look like a clown. I look like a freaking clown. No, the more I look at it, like the worse it gets. This is a very unflattering shape for my eyes too, I feel like.
True. I feel like you have deep set eyes.
It's just like anything like, I don't know.
Anything too intense?
Maybe?
And honestly, it'd be like that. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Not every look is for everyone.
Like, also this lipstick, bad choice for this look, but it's okay.
I'm gonna use my Kylie lip kit for this lipstick and I'm gonna mix it with something else. I don't know what else yet, but okay, so this is the final.
Okay, you look good though.
Like, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fucking killed this guy. It's like,
well, you didn't put on lipstick yet.
oh, you're right. Oh my gosh.
All right, we did it.
Wow, guys.
Me and Gabby look completely different even though we did the same tutorial.
And I think that's amazing. I love that we literally followed the exact same tutorial, used the exact same palettes, and we just look completely different. Like, we both took this in such a different way. I like the colors on you.
The colors are good.
It needs to be a different shape.
Yeah, it's all in the shape.
It's honestly all about the shape. Like,
it like comes out and needs to go like up.
Exactly. Like, I think you made it a little too like horizontal. I think you needed to make it more like diagonal.
Like, it's something is really unflattering about it.
Because the colors look really good with, with your skin tone.
Yeah.
Because like, I really do like the colors, but like for some reason it just like didn't work as well. Also, it kind of looked like kind of scary.
I find you look better in real life.
I know. For some reason, like on camera, I look like trash. But like, I promise, guys, like it actually doesn't look horrible. Like I actually kind of like this look. I could honestly rock this at a party or something.
But it's also like, look at what he did and then look at us.
Okay, like, don't even. James Charles is a professional. And if you're ever watching this, I love you. You're amazing. We are not as good as you are. As you can see. As you can see. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of our finished looks. I think the fact that we didn't have the same colors as James also played a huge part in it, because his looks like completely different from what we did. But I don't have the things that he has, so that's fine. Mel, get off of your phone. We're filming. I hate her. But these are the finished looks, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, please let me know. I would love to do another one of these and force Mel to do another one of these with me. We can find another beauty guru to do, or we could do another one of James's looks, because he has a plethora of them. And it'd be kind of fun to like do something crazy.
Oh my god.
I love you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Just now finished editing. I love myself for that. Yeah, so that was today's video. It was a lot of fun to make. I absolutely loved doing that video. It was so fun. Not as awful at makeup as I thought I was, which is pretty exciting. So if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials and makeup challenges like that, I would love to do them. So just let me know in the comments and maybe like tag me in some of your favorite ones that, I don't know, any of your favorite beauty gurus have posted. And yeah, maybe I'll be able to do it soon. Today's shout yeah, that didn't make sense. Today's shout out goes to my sister Maria, because you got me into makeup in the first place. You're the one that literally started my entire makeup collection that I have now. So thanks, sister. Love you. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
I look broke, but it's fine.